Huh?
Noodles. Bulldog sauce. The food is ready. Wish you a delicious dinner. Wow,